Hi guys, Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome and I do hope you stick around. Today I'm bringing to you 6 websites where you can go ahead and start making money. You can use this as a side hustle or any way that you please to. Now the first website that I'm bringing to you is none other than Amazon, and this is where you can swap books for Amazon gift cards. So if you have any old college textbooks cluttering your shelves, instead of going through the hassle of a garage sale or a Craigslist, consider using Amazon Trade In as an effortless way to get rid of them, right? You can also trade in other items like electronics for an Amazon gift card. Simply provide the item's details on Amazon's trade-in page and you'll see the potential value you can receive before you even do it. So the best part about it is that shipping is also free. So go ahead and start making money by trading in your old electronics or books. The other website I want to jump right into would be Playtest Cloud. Now, PlayTest Cloud is your one stop solution for playtesting mobile games during prototyping, soft launch, development, and after release. So, if you like playing games or in your downtime you play games on your phone, why not turn that into a form of income? So, you can go here, sign up. When you come to the website, you just go over here where it says become a tester. You click on that and you'll be able to sign up. It's pretty quick and easy. And you tell them the type of device that you have or the gaming device that you have, and then you start testing games. Okay. Now, the next website that I want to review with you is Bestmark. And Bestmark is for those people who want to go ahead and become a mystery shopper. Now, if you have a keen eye for excellent service, you have the opportunity to earn money and occasionally enjoy free meals as a mystery shopper. Now, companies value knowing that their employees represent their brand well to customers, and since CEOs can't personally evaluate every location regularly, they hire mystery shoppers to assess the customer experience. So, becoming a mystery shopper can be a straightforward way to make extra income, especially if you are efficient and detail oriented. To sign up, you just go over here, click on where it says Become a mystery shopper, scroll down, click Apply Now, and then you'll be able to go ahead and sign up. It doesn't take long at all, it's very quick. All right. Now, the next website I want to review with you is Trimata. Now, Trimata is where you're able to test products before they launch. Companies use them, use focus groups or testers to go ahead and get reviews on products. So, and marketing teams do this a lot. So, here you see they've worked with Amazon, NBC, British Airways, so they're a reputable company. All right. So on this page, you can go ahead and read and see what it is they do. And then when you're ready to sign up, you just go here where it says get paid to test and you go ahead and sign up. It says here that you can earn up to $30 per test. Okay. So go ahead and check this out, guys, and see if this is something that you'd want to put your time and effort to. All right. And get some money on the side right there. The next website I want to review is User Brain. Okay, so User Brain is where you can make money testing websites right from the comfort of your home. Here are some of the companies that they've worked with as it relates to that. And when you're ready to sign up, you just go here, click on where it says Get Paid to Test. When you click there, you just go ahead and log in. Well, you can read here, of course. All right. I've read it and I've researched all of these before bringing them to you, so I know that they're credible. You can also do your own research if that makes you comfortable. Okay. Now, the next website I want to review is user interviews. It's kind of similar like user brain. You get paid to test or to become a participant for researchers, and these are companies that they've worked with. All right. And then when you're ready to test, you go where it says, when you're ready to sign up, you go here where it says participants. It's going to tell you all the online studies or the participant resources to get paid, because that's what we're here for, right? When you want to, if you're going to get paid as a participant, you go ahead and click right here and it will take you to the sign up link. Okay. Let me know if this is helpful, guys. Leave a comment in the box below if you already knew about these so that I can refine my research strategy for you and bring you content that you do not know about. So let me know if you knew about these websites. If not, definitely let me know as well. Give me a like for this video and also subscribe for more content like these. Thank you for stopping by and see you later.